What's up, people? Alrighty, let's fucking get it. Gotta change this. Let's if you guys are wondering why I do have my why I'm looking up is because I have my monitor set up right now, so my chart's up here. Not a very strong market open. Not the strongest I've seen. I've seen definitely stronger market opens. How many points is this? 30, 30 points. Definitely targeting sell side though, for sure. Keep that 5 minute chart up. Definitely targeting sell side however I can. Or what I was looking at is actually on the 4 hour chart. I want to see us come down to OTE of the range here. This is what I would hope for. Come down to the midpoint of this, or sell side, and then we can look for longs after that. Uh, that'll look pretty solid if we can get that. It's something to look out for. So I'm just gonna wait for this sell side to be taken. Or I could play along with the trend a little bit. I don't know if that's optimal. I don't know if that's very optimal. It actually might be. I'm not gonna lie to you. It might be really solid to come up there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just wait for this sell side to get taken before I make any moves. Um, rather wait for something that I know is gonna happen. Because I know the market overall wants to go higher. Like, we are going to go higher, for sure. Like, that's what the market is, like, doing. I said, we're still bullish. I am expecting a retracement. Not crazy like we had from, like, February to April, but, you know. Where is this coming to? Is it coming to the 1 minute up here? Wow, that's interesting. Well, I mean, maybe we just came and filled this fair value gap. I still think it does need to take buy side liquidity, but also maybe not unless it wanted to come touch this fair value gap and then take sell side liquidity. That is a possibility. So we'll see, but I'm bearish until I see a market structure shift. Inverse fair value gaps, anything like that, breaks of structure, whatever it is. So it's hella foggy and shit outside, dude. Yeah. So kind of just waiting right now, to be honest. I mean, market's only been open for 10 minutes, not even, so not tripping. Seems to be rejecting off this 5 minute fair value gap. Let me fix this. want to see is that. Okay. I wonder what this was doing here. Oh, we came up to 50% range. I see. Yeah, that was solid actually. That would have been a good entry for short, mainly because we came up to the 50% range, which now I think we're going to take the sell side possibly. We came up into this fair value gap here, which is interesting. I didn't think it would, but hey, you never know with these markets. That's probably gonna head short. Yeah. I don't like the way the 5 minute looks. There needs to be more movement. I'm not messing with it. This is just like floating in between like a 30-point range. I wonder what ES looks like. 5 minute on ES looks like some shit. There we go. I just wanted to take sell side. That's what I'm looking for. Like, there's no reason we shouldn't. Well, yesterday morning, I felt so damn tired. Today, I feel great. Today, I feel good. I woke up, got right out of bed. Yesterday, it was kind of a struggle. I'm not gonna lie. And sorry for not going live yesterday or the day before. I just like completely forgot. There's another break of structure right there on the 1 minute. Um, so we'll see how this goes. See if it holds. Like essentially, we have to take sell side liquidity. So I don't know what how we need to do it, but we have to before we can go long. That's what I'm looking for. I mean, essentially, this short would have been pretty solid right here if I would have taken it off this fair value gap right here, um, right there. That would have been pretty solid because the game tapped it and then boom. How many points was that? Yeah, 29. I only would have wanted to catch it to here, So that would have been a good short, but that didn't happen. It's okay. But yo, what's up, brother? What's up? How you doing? That would have been a solid short, but then again, I don't like the way the 5 minute looks. Short 18,665. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. An 18,623. Why 18,623? There was pretty low volume coming into the beginning of the market. I'm not gonna lie. I've seen a lot higher most days. Worst comes to worst, I don't find a trade today. I do think there is. I'm pretty sure there's news. I think it's only like one uh, set of news. Yeah, FOMC member Waller speaks at 10:15. So we actually have a while for that. So that doesn't even really matter currently. Art, bet, bro. I mean, yeah, that would have been a solid entry for me. I'm only trying to catch 20 points because I'm using three minis on ES. So I literally would have only needed to catch that short until literally here. Like I would have been done already, but I'm kind of waiting for sell side to get taken first before we move up to this buy side zone up here at 18,686. So I'm just waiting for that sell side to really get taken. But it does seem to be bouncing off of this fair value gap here, which does kind of make me think about longs just based on the fact that we keep bouncing off of here. I wonder if there's a 15-minute actually. No, but yeah, we keep bouncing off this zone right here. I'm also looking at this 4 hour fair value gap. I would like to see us touch, sell side down here for me to be able to take longs. That'd be pretty solid for sure. But for now I'm good. I'm just gonna look, kind of just window shopping right now on NQ, as they would say. We got that. Well, we're getting that break of structure right here, which is pretty solid. I like to see that. Um, so yeah, I mean, hey, we're good so far. As long as you had confidence in that short, man, you're good. I'm just trying to find. I'm looking for more longs because we're still bullish. Like if we go over to the 12 hour, we're still bullish. This is essentially just a retracement into a 4 hour for value gap. So I'm not like I'm not worried about Also, not even I'm not even worried about trading today. Like I made 1,200 yesterday, so I'm not tripping too much if I don't get a trade today. So hey, that's the name of the game. It's the way these markets are. But I fuck with it, so it's pretty chill. We did get the break structure though, so I am still looking for that sell side to be taken. It's gonna take this sell side, but really slowly. Where'd my phone go? Wait, let me turn my AC off. There we go. Much better. Much better. Man, not doing shit. But again, market's been open for like fucking 20 minutes, so I'm not too worried about it. How long? Yeah, 20 minutes. I ain't tripping. Guys, I do need to go use the restroom. I'll be right back. I will be right back, I promise. Hello. Whew. Fuck me. Alright, finally, we're doing something. We're finally taking a sell side zone. This type of shit I like to see for real, you feel me? This is what I like to see, baby. Slowly but surely, we're taking it. Dude, what the hell? Market's been open for half an hour and hasn't done shit. I was just all happy and giddy to see that we fucking took Southside, but no. Or about to, I guess. But you know what this could mean actually? This could be the retracement I was looking for in that 4 hour. Into that 4 hour fair value gap. So, and we only went 45 points into it out of about 60, let's say. 40 and a half. So, but still solid. Wow, that. A lot of buyers just stepped in, I'm assuming. So longs could look pretty solid. London was so clean today, but now very. Yeah. Yeah, no, I've been waiting for this sell side to get taken for these London lows, which I don't think is going to happen, mainly because we're retracing back into a 4 hour fair value gap. And also a lot of buyers just stepped into the market. Like the volume on this candle was 10,000 and a half. Um, so, I'm kind of looking to start seeing longs. And I'm waiting for the market structure shift though, and, some sort of good entry point. I was gonna take this solid entry up here. Like this would have been pretty solid to take right here, and then I could catch my usual 20 points from, like here to or like here. Yeah, that would have been super solid, but I always wait for first liquidity zone to be taken before I do anything. So that's kind of what I'm waiting for right now. Waiting for some sort of shift in market, and yeah, that should be it. So we should be getting that pretty soon. A lot of buyers just stepped in. Market structure shift is right here. So, or sorry, right here. My bad. Yeah. also don't want this to just be like a retracement to the upside. Like this is just what I'm saying. I want the actual confluence that we are having a shifted market structure. Yeah, same waiting for the A plus. Yeah, I'm just waiting for that A plus setup. Just trying to make sure it's optimal because I don't want to just trade off of because like here's the thing, you could have everything like really really good solidly set up, but if you don't have like a direction in which the market's going, it's not going to work in your favor at all. You're just pretty much just going to get shut on by the market, and that's happened to me before, and it's not fun at all for anybody. So now we're just waiting. Because I'm thinking this is OTE right here. This is like mid range of the fair value, the 4 hour fair value gap. So this should essentially not have to take sell side. It necessarily doesn't need to take sell side right in the morning. Um, but we'll see. You know, I just wonder where price is drawing to right there when you see things like that. I'm tripping in the morning. Yeah, London session actually did look pretty solid. I'm not gonna lie. Looked like it had some pretty big moves. I mean, not a crazy amount of volume, obviously, because it's overnight, but still didn't look crazy bad. Looks pretty solid. Who's outside my house? Honestly, if we can get the structure shift on NQ, that'd be perfect. But I want to know what this zone is rejecting off of here. Oh, you know what it might be rejecting off of is this inverse right here. It could be this inverse for value gap on the 1 minute that we're rejecting off of. Yeah, that low key might be would be. That'd be decent. Take it right here down to there. But then again, I don't know if that's really the setup I'm looking for essentially, but it could be. Um, you know, you never know. So obviously we're not going to take that, but I think that's kind of just the zone that is rejecting off of currently. If we if we break through this one, we're in consolidation and middle range. So waiting for sweep of highs first to then short them. Yeah, 100%. I'm waiting for the sweep of these shorts on the south side zone in order to take longs because technically we are still really really bullish on NQ overall. Like I was showing earlier on the 12 hour, like we're still bullish, and on the 4 hour too. I want to see in this fair value gap get touched. And we also had this like 4 hour fair value gap that we rejected off of as well. So I'm looking for sell side to be taken for me to be able to go short. Um, That's pretty much what I'm looking for. Nothing super, crazy, but I want to see sell side get taken first and a little deeper into this 4 hour fair value gap, and then honestly, that should be pretty good of what I'm looking for. So yeah, um, just been consolidating. I mean, even if in 5 minute looks gross, I'm gonna be honest. That wait, hold on. Why was I actually right about that? I'm actually intelligent. Hold on. I was right about that. I literally said it's rejecting off this fucking inverse fair value up right here. Like, literally perfectly. It rejected off this perfectly. It wicked it and then came back down. Yeah, it's actually crazy. It's funny. We literally, like, it needs to come down, like, less than 20 points for us to just take this sell side zone, and then we're literally good. I promise you we're fine after that, and then I can take longs after this. But that's not the way it's looking right now. Dude, it's hella dark outside. It was like hot yesterday, and I was like Cloudy and dark outside. I don't get it. Yo, what's up? We got four people in here. I fuck with that. What's up, everybody? I appreciate y'all tuning in. Four people, the most people I've ever had on a live. Anything more than one. You on Express or Combine? I'm on a Combine right now. I did pass a funded account though, a little while ago, and I was on it for about a month or so, something along those lines, like a month. And then I just had a really red week. I got a little emotional with my trading, but it's all good. I'm back on a Combine. So yeah, we had this major week here. All right, this might be the move that takes sell side. I'm not gonna lie. Anyways, on a lighter note, how's everybody doing today? It's, trading doesn't always have to be the topic. Hope everyone's doing well today. And if you, if any of you are in school, I'm pretty sure you guys should be almost over. I mean, I'm almost over with my senior year. Next week is my last academic week of school ever, so it's pretty chill. Same, had a very bad week and afraid to push button in 4 weeks. Missed so much energy. I'm shocked right now. Yeah, no, I'm not worried too much about it. I'm just kind of, like that's just the name of the game. Is you kind of got to be like, you just got to be like whatever and brush it off. Today's London was also clean. Yeah. It's just one of those things where you just gotta brush it off, dude, and like you can't be thinking like you can't be thinking that way. Like you gotta just think like, okay, I'm on to the next one. I'm on to the next one, even if it's red for a month. You know what I mean? Like you just gotta go on to the next one because you're not gonna get that level of like, accountability for yourself in your trading if you don't uh like trade and you're scared. Essentially, you gotta have that self accountability with trading. So you know, that's just how I see it. You might see it differently though, but that's how I see it. The Dow tends to take a breather after passing around. Okay, what is the Dow actually right now? It's at 40,000 over. Are you going to do? Are you going to do college next year or full time trading? Yeah. So me and my friend actually, who I trade with, I don't think he's not up. I don't think he woke up this morning for trading. He's probably not feeling well. He hasn't felt well recently at all. But yeah, so we're going to the same JC or community college and doing 2 years there. We're only doing that to kind of keep our parents happy and give us like 2 more years to essentially like establish ourselves with trading. He's been trading for about like a year now, and I've been trading for about 7 months now, 8 months now. So we're pretty much around the same time. But we've also been doing crypto for like since freshman year, and we're seniors now. So we have a pretty big crypto portfolio. That was our thing for a while before trading was, and we still do crypto. Obviously, we still invest, but yeah. And then hopefully, honestly, next year, around towards the end of next year, like let's say August to December, we kind of plan to move to Miami by then and kind of just trade full time, do crypto, and I'm doing YouTube because I want to build a community around it, and like I told someone earlier in my TikTok comment, I'm actually making a paid Discord. If anybody wants to join that'll be live in like 2 weeks. I'm kind of just doing it. It's 15 bucks a month. I want to do it too because I've had a lot of people ask me for help, one at school, and a lot of other people asking me for trading advice and things I can't just like give everybody individually, and it's easier if I do it in a group and at least monetize it for myself. Um, and so yeah, that'll be live in like 2 weeks. But yeah, so hopefully I'm hoping by end of 2025 I'll be in Miami and I can have or we're gonna go this summer and look for apartments. And yeah, honestly that's the plan. And I'm super into cars. Like cars are honestly one of my biggest motivation in life and I've always loved them because my grandpa loves them too. He got me into them. And so my car I want to get next year when whenever we're in Miami is hopefully a G80 M3. It's kind of what I'm looking for. Um, so yeah, that's kind of the plan right now. But yeah, so I got a lot. I'm trying to build streams of income with a Discord with trading, crypto, and YouTube because I always told myself I wasn't going to like go on to different things like drop shipping or SMMA or whatever your thing is. I want to stay in one niche until I can make. My goal is like $50,000 a month with one niche before I move on to anything else, or even $100,000 a month before I move on to anything else. Um, because I just feel that's, in my opinion, I feel that's the best way to do it. And having streams of income with one niche, it kind of works out a little bit better. So yeah, if that answers your question. Man, it's not doing anything this morning. Like there was a few, I guess, like shorts I would have taken for sure. Like this would have been the main short I would have taken, but man, nothing looks good. Are you streaming every day? Yeah, I plan to stream every day. I just didn't stream yesterday because I didn't get any sleep at all. Like I was exhausted. Like I went to work for like 10 hours after school. I was exhausted. I didn't get any sleep. But yes, I will be live every single day. And I'm also next week, I'm starting, well, I do day in the life. So if you guys look at my channel, I don't know if you guys are subscribed or not, but if you do look at my channel, you will see that I've done day in the life videos. And next week I'm starting day in the life of like my last 2 weeks of high school. So I'm gonna do like you know, what it's like what I don't know what the title is gonna be yet, but something along the lines of oh my last 2 weeks of high school. So that'll be that of what I want to do. Um, but yes, essentially, I will stream every day, every Monday through Friday. But like I said, once I do go into like getting more and more followers, I'm going to start moving towards a paid Discord and live streaming there 5 days a week, and also doing live streams at night 5 days a week for charting sessions and things to look out for the coming week. But yeah, so I hope that answers your question. Oh, these might be this better takes also. Ugh. This actually might be the market structure shift. I'm gonna be honest. There's some ones that you do it now. There's no S&Ts. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. Thought that would have been S&Ts or something, but no, it's not. I throw some ones, maybe you do that song. Pretty low, really, really shitty price action so far. Like I said, there's like one short that looked good, but besides that, there was nothing. There was nothing that good at all. I just heard like a notification in my ear. Good luck in your journey, man. You look like it's mine and jail. Stay strong. Hey, bro, thank you. I appreciate that a lot. You too. Stay safe. There's some more. Nothing looks. It's almost been an hour since market opened, and I don't see anything that looks good so far. What's what's the news here? Wait, what was that? Hmm. Oh, wait, hold on. Hold on. This is what I like to see. We broke through that fair value gap. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's fucking solid. Please don't just be a wick. I'd actually like that to break through. Well, I'll be looking for that market structure shift up here. There's some ones maybe you do that dance on. Looks like SB, yeah. We might reverse here though, I'm not gonna lie. We might have a market reversal. So we'll see. 2 minutes. I'm using my phone to look at the chat, so that's why I keep looking down. Apologies. This looks. Man, hasn't done anything today. Anything at all. I want to see it keep pushing up though. Could be rejecting off this here. It might break through it though. Seems strong. Seems promising. Yeah, it wants to break through this fair value gap. I know it does. Yeah, there's that market structure shift. That's beautiful. If it can close above this candle, there's our shift. That's what I want to see. It's perfect. There's our market structure shift, baby. Now we can start to look for some longs, for some upside momentum, because we look pretty bullish on the 5 minute too. We're starting to get up there pretty nicely. How much room do we have? 30 points of room. I can work with that. I only need to catch 20. So this will be pretty solid. I'll just be looking for retracement into a fair value gap so I can entry off of it. I'm gonna set this right here. Actually, you know what? I wonder how the 2 minute looks. Yes, perfect. This is a spot I will be looking for to set some limit orders on. Um, and this, I would like to look for this 5 minute here. This looks pretty solid. I'm gonna set up for longs here. This looks really solid. Stops here. And 20 points. Limit order. Buy limit. That's what I'm set up for. So I'm in for 10-12. Yeah, that 10-12 for value gap right there. Yeah, that was solid. But then again, we didn't have a shift in market structure, so there wasn't really anything for me to be looking for longs at that point because it could have rejected off this fair value gap right here or this like zone in this area right there that it rejected off at the same spot. So yeah, but I'm gonna let that sit. I'll be looking for longs. I wonder how it plays out with MSS. Just a fair value gap. It hits that and then to this guy. Yeah. Usually it does reverse into a what's it called? A fair value gap. Like it will fill it usually. Um, it doesn't have to necessarily this time, but it can because it has to. There's still this 5 minute here too. So we will see. So let's put that. And I'm not super worried about it. I'm not super worried about like maybe I maybe I won't even get an entry here. Who knows? I'm just looking for it to come back down into this 5 minute fair value gap over here. Um, I'd like this 1 minute candle to come down. These buyers are just super strong. I know it wants to come down at least to fill that fair value. At least it's what I would hope. But I mean, who knows? If I don't get an entry here, then I just simply don't get an entry here, and that's that. But we'll see. DXY moves way down, way to down. ES also made that entry, so I think that was. Yeah. Wait, what do you mean by SB? Oh, Silver Bullet? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely not getting an entry. And no, there's no way in the world. I mean, it's still bullish for the day, so essentially I still technically can get an entry. but I'm gonna have I'm gonna mark that up there, and then I'm gonna mark this 5 minute as well. I mean, essentially, I was right. I knew the draw was higher for the day. I just didn't want to take anything because I didn't think that I'm not gonna take I'm not gonna take things that I'm not like I don't see that are what I like, you know? Um, like if I don't see the market structure shift and I don't see the direction in which the market's going, even if it's a silver bullet, no matter what, I'm not gonna take that. Like that's just not optimal at all. Like there's just no point. There's no point in taking that. So I'm like not worried about it at all. I'm not worried about missing out on market moves because in my eyes that was I didn't miss out. It just didn't do what I wanted it to do. So you know what I will do is actually is I'm gonna set alerts on NQ so if it comes into this range while I'm at school or something, I can possibly um what's it called? I can possibly take a trade off this because we are still bullish. So I'm just gonna set alerts and then if things look good, you know, you might be able to take something. You never know. So I'm just gonna set that there. And yeah, we'll just wait and see if there's anything in the future. I always wait for Fridays. I always wait for Fridays like my best trading day, and when it comes, I'm just sitting and watching how it plays. My entry to the profit target. Fucking psychological thing. Yeah, that's it's unfortunate, dude. It sucks. It sucks, but it is what it is. You're not always gonna get that perfect trade. It's not the way the world works, sadly. I'm gonna give myself like 10 more minutes on the market, maybe 10, 15 minutes, and then take a shower, head to school. Because if it does come into this fair value gap, then I mean, like I said, that is my entry point. Um, something like this, and then 20, 10. But we'll see if that happens, which it is happening now. Um, this might be a solid point of entry, actually. Wow, that was crazy. That's actually insane. That shit just came down, touched the fair value gap, and fucking flew. Wow, that was insane. 10 seconds on the 5 minute. Let's see what this does. This next candle open does. Might bring us down. Fuck, dude, that would have been such a good entry. Oh, that would have been solid, dude. I literally knew it too. I always like know it's gonna go fill those fair value gaps and all that. Like, I just know it does too. Ahead of, you mean aside from trading, you also have a side hustle? No, just trading crypto, and like I said, once I start like a paid Discord, that that'll be it. Just those three things, and YouTube hopefully to get monetized. But I only have 100 subscribers. But to be fair, it's only been a month. I've only been posting for a month and I have 100 subs, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, I think that's it. I think that's it for me today on the trading. I don't really think I'm gonna be able to find anything that I like. Um, I mean, like this would have been a good entry right here. That would have been solid. But then again, I didn't see that market structure. Like I didn't see what I wanted to see. So to me, that's not optimal. It's not optimal trading for me. That's how I see it. Um, which you know happens happens sometimes. You don't always get the things that you want to see, which is okay. But we'll bounce back on Monday morning. Like this would have been a solid trade. Yeah. All right. Well, you know what? I think that's it for me. I appreciate, you, uh, Easy, for being in the chat with me this morning and everybody else as well who's joined. I will be live Monday morning. If you want to, see what I'm doing day to day, you can, follow my YouTube channel. You can follow my TikTok. I post there daily, shorts and long form videos. Post on the weekends too. Um, so, I mean, yeah, with that, honestly, thank you for everyone who joined. I didn't see a setup today, so sorry you guys couldn't really see what I do when I go through the motions of trading, but I appreciate all of you, and I'll see you all on Monday morning. Peace.